Gear up for the ultimate biking experience on the 1st of Feb as JN Suzuki presents the Riding Fest. Come be a part of the sporty rideverse. Hagajing sakhi hagajing kiyo ki kam sniu ki kam runar hagajala kebakat dang yat ki sngi ki landang isir khaibha kala penong ya ke Shillong Cantonment board bakan tainot dagi Kynroh nar narut ke surak ke badan hagi benta ka Thembi joy knang banwan ra ya ke jing sngan hagate ke jaka Kumban Shukdo, Bekate Jingker Kynroh nar ke Cantonment, Kinoi lam ke East Khasi Hills Local Taxi Welfare Association EKHLTWA, hak arpu artarik unai wing araja arpu saw, kila persang banyak kendo yu Chief Executive Officer ke Shillong Cantonment Board, ban kerpat yu ban ailat ikinongnya taksi kamai bikin yang ketika jaka, batru ban kentu yu ke sarkar jela bakadai ban simkia halor ketika jingkerpat jong ke association. Reha ka arpu pratrik ukula lengkot arja arpusan kala don ke video ke belas sapriang hakiran san social media bat kumta ban pensyai yau pajba hakapor mensngi Shillong Mail ulai kendo yau CEO ke Shillong Cantonment Board Ayush Maria ubala penpau bakate ke jaka ke bala care Kynroh nar kedai ke jaka jong kisipai bat kamdai setia ke jaka penyang kali yaki taksi kamai Nolor kata ula angru bakadan kapor kibri ki penyang kali anda lamit senya bat kiba omla ban tip ki le yu ha kite gi jaka bat kane kala ban pen subas new yaki kumta kabot kala hab ban ker ya kate gi jaka ban lait na gi Jingma bat ru na gi Jingbret Pathar yaki jaklia ha kate gi jaka.
Basically that area is a defense land. Clearly there's a board also there that no trespassing and no parking should be there, particularly overnight parking. So there the three concerns are there. One is illegal overnight parking, and there is a case of having drugs and liquor inside the taxi, private taxi standing over there. Also in the morning there is a lot of garbage which people used to throw in that area, and because of these two reasons we have to take action and to protect our defense land and further encroachment and illegal dumpage we have to fence that area. No, it is a defense land. It is under Shillong Cantonment Board management. It is a defense land. Yes. And previously there was no such activities, but in the recent months we have noticed a lot of activities in that area. That's why we have to take action on that. Some taxi people have parking in that area, but the point is that that is not a designated parking area for taxi. They have designated parking in near behind Anjali Cinema Hall. There is designated parking, and then there is designated parking in the Boucher Road also. So they should, and that is again the cause of congestion also in that area, and particularly in the peak hours, in the evening hours. So any association or any taxi people need to understand that they are designated area being made by state government, by cantonment board, by municipal boards, and if they park randomly anywhere, it will cause congestion. Apart from them, some private people are also parking, not just taxi one. And those private people, they have their like I told you earlier also, they used to have liquor and drugs inside it. So who knows what kind of activities may be going on there. And that's a very sensitive defense area also. There are residential colonies just behind that. So we have to take protective measures also.
The work for the fencing, they will continue.
Yeah, fencing we are doing it fencing. Only the defense land area, only that particular area. We are fencing only our defense land. We are not fencing any civil apart from defense land. No?
Habatin, pej bahagi kishap, kashap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataya kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashap plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la aikan diat bada ka bathau bha kam kata ika dur jingki marbam ka jingma lani ka rukom shed yaki. Balehi banai kita. Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pendon kam daki marba medon ka sharp plus F menta ka sngi.
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.